All right, so we are going to talk about the difference between the MegaLink and the Team Builder, all right? Because look, the reason is this. Even up to yesterday, even today, I keep getting a lot of questions about it, all right? Now, the first thing I want you to know is this. The MegaLink and the Team Builder are from the same company, right? They are from the same OLSP system. Now, the difference is this. The MegaLink is the low ticket side of the business, right? So that's just the MegaLink. I think it costs about $7 one-time payment. So it's the low ticket, while the Team Builder is the high ticket, right? Now I'm sure you notice I promote a lot of more of the, what do you call it right now? More of the Team Builder, right? Now, the reason why I focus on the Team Builder is because it's the same effort you use to promote both of them. But you make more money when you have the Team Builder. Now, brand new beginners, people who are not sure of themselves, people who are new to affiliate marketing or making money online, most of the time they are always afraid of spending real money online, right? Because they are not sure whether they'll make their money back, which is understandable. Most of us went through the same thing, right? Well, so it's not a big deal if they behave like that. So the Team MegaLink makes it easy for them to start an online business. And look, I have seen a lot of low ticket products out there on the internet. But one thing I can tell you is this. The MegaLink is the best. Now, why do I say that? This is the only system that I've seen that you pay $7, but you will now get a free online store. For just $7, you get a whole online store with over 20 to 30, in fact, I think over 30 digital products already done for you. Go and check any low ticket product, whether it's those $5 product they are telling you about, or whether it's any low ticket product out there. Go and check it. You only make money from the product, one product, right? Go and check all of them. You only make money from one product. If you try to go to another product, they ask you to pay money, right? That's what they do. But with the MegaLink, you don't pay any more money. You only pay $7, and then you have access to over 20 different products that you can promote and make money from all of them. Even some of them are high ticket products, and you still get paid for it, which is amazing. Where do you get that? There's nothing like that. That's why you see I keep making sales, because I'm making sales from all the products in the system. As long as I promote the product and then somebody buys anything, I make money. And that's powerful for the MegaLink, right? So like I said, it's the best low ticket product I've seen. And that's why you see I promote it, right? Because it's the best. Now you'll be asking, then why should you now do the Team Builders? Now, let's look at it, right? Now, most people start with the MegaLink and then they upgrade to Team Builders. Now, like I say, the Team Builder is a high ticket side. Now, let's talk about the MegaLink and high ticket, right? Now, when it comes to the MegaLink, can you earn high ticket commissions with the $7 MegaLink? The answer is yes, but this is the problem, right? When you get a high ticket sale, you only earn 5 to 10% commission, right? So that's the difference. So you actually get a high ticket sale, but you only get 5 or 10% commission if it's a high ticket, right? And that's why the commission is okay. After all, you only paid $7. If you make $100, $300, that's still good money, right? But now let's compare it to Team Builders. When you upgrade to TeamBuilders, or you decide to start as a team builder, which I highly recommend. Now, when you become a team builder, you don't need to buy the MegaLink. You get the MegaLink automatically. So, like for me, I think I started as a team builder, so I automatically had the MegaLink. So I didn't have to pay $7. I don't think I had. I don't think so. I didn't have to pay $7. I just went straight to TeamBuilders. So I automatically have all the products. You know, that's the beauty of being a team builder, right? Now, as a team builder, you earn 50% commissions on high ticket. So that makes it easy for you to earn commissions of $500 per sale, because they have different levels of high ticket with the OLSP system, right? So you could earn instant commission of $500 per sale. Now compare that to $7 with the MegaLink, right? That's a lot of money. Now, so you could earn $500 per sale in commission, $1,000 per sale in commission, or even $2,600 per sale, because people are buying real products in the system. So as a team builder, you have the opportunity to make more money. So that was why it was easy for me to make money fast. And I'm not the only one. There are so many people making hundreds of thousands of dollars already in the system. So it works, right? So, which is powerful. Now, some will say, but why are they paying 50% commission? Well, I cannot answer that completely, but I think one of the reasons I notice is that the team builder is a done-for-you system. Okay? It's a complete done for you. Most high-ticket system, they tell you it's done for you. That's a lie. That's not a done for you system. Because you do everything, right? So that's not a done for you system. But with the team builders, it's done for you. And I mean complete done for you. What I mean is this. You only need to share your link, right? And then you get leads in the system. And then the OLSP system start following up with your lead. So they do all the follow-up for you. So all the other system, you follow up, right? They will tell you get system IO, autoresponder, but at the end of the day, you are the one following up. If you don't follow up, you don't make money. Because I'm in most of these systems, so I know they don't follow up for you at all. They don't. Forget that thing they tell you. You follow up by yourself, because you have to get the autoresponder. You have to put in the emails. So you follow up. But with the team builders, the OLSP system does all the follow-up, right? So they follow up. They send out emails every day. I get their emails till today. And so they send out emails to your lead, and then they invite them to webinars, right? Now, inviting them to webinars is where they make those high-ticket sales. So that's why sometimes what I do too is I also invite my leads to webinars, to the webinars, so that you want to make sure your leads are there. Because if your leads, maybe they didn't open their emails or something, and they never went to the webinars, naturally, they are not going to become high-ticket sales. But those people that can get their leads to the webinars, the chances of getting those $500 commission, $1,000 commission. I think somebody the other 2 weeks or so made $3,000 in commission. So the chances of you making the sale is the number of leads you have going to the webinar. So that's where it's amazing, But it's done for you. They send out all the webinar emails. Almost every day. They send out emails every day, because I receive the email, so I know what they do. Now, they follow up. That means they follow up for you. You don't have to do the follow-up if you don't want to do. So they do all the follow-up for you. Now, the beauty is this. They close the sale. Now, so you don't have to worry about closing the sale. Like, I don't call anybody. I just do my normal promotions, put ad out there, and that's all, right? And I allow the system to do the job for me, right? So The team builders is so perfect because they follow up and then they close the sale. Many of the times it's by phone call. And you know that when somebody is closing by phone call, that works. And that's the best for high ticket. So that is why I see the team builders as the best high ticket system out there. Now let's even look at the product you get. Go and check all other high ticket system out there. There is no product, really. Well, let me put it that way. They are just coaching programs, all of them. Go and check them. I don't want to mention names because many of them are popular, but they are all coaching programs, right? Now, is Team Builder also a coaching program? Yes, it's also a coaching program, but they give you something worth tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm not kidding you. Now, with Team Builder, you also get softwares, autoresponder. Look, those of you who have Aweber, you know how expensive it is, right? At a point, I was paying almost $200 per month for Aweber. You get what I'm saying? So, but with the Team Builders, you get a free autoresponder, which is amazing, that you can have as many subscribers as you want. That's unheard of, right? You get an autoresponder. You also get a website builder, a funnel builder. You get how much those things cost, but you get it for free. You get a funnel builder. You also have all these AI tools. You have so many tools you get for free. Now, what about even the marketing materials? You get over 500 reels. Look, the products are just so many that is what it's cost in gold. It's really worth it. So that's why I love it, right? That's why I always promote it. And those people that have joined me in the team builders, they too, when they see the value is so much, right? It's amazing. Now, that is awesome, right? So that's what we get with team builders. And that's why I love promoting it, because when you promote the low ticket side, people don't get a lot. Now, I know with MegaLink, for them to even have a whole store, that's amazing. But that's not a lot. What about softwares? What about apps? What about marketing systems that you get that you can use to build any business of your choice? And you get all those things when you are a team builder. That's not, I don't see that in any other high-ticket programs. Other high-ticket programs, they are just noise. And that's why you see many of them fade away, right? Because they don't really have any product to offer. They just boast that they can make you so rich and so on. But no products. Almost all of them. I can't even think of any other one. The only product, they just have some video training, that's all, and nothing more, right? But team builders have products that you need, that you can use, and that's what's important. Then they also have the coaching, right? Which is what the other people have. So the other people don't have tools. Team builder have tools that you get for free. And then they also have coaching. So you can see team builder is worth a lot more, whatever they charge, right? And that's why you understand when they charge, when you get a 50% commissions on high ticket. And that's still a lot of money, right? So, and look, it's not just, they allow you to earn on all their high ticket products. I've seen some people make $4,600 per sale. And you don't have to sell anything. That's why I love it so much. You don't have to do any selling. Everything is done for you. Now, let's talk about our team, right? Now, some of you were asking about our team. Now, what we do in our team is this. I want to quickly say that. We promote your link for you, right? Now, many people, many teams out there, they want to coach you more. I don't feel it's right to just keep coaching people. The program itself is a coaching program, right? They give you tools, they coach you. So in our team, we don't feel it's right for us to repeat that process. So what we do is simple. Once you join our team, we get your link, we add you to our traffic rotator, and we start promoting your link for you. Now, which is great, right? In most programs, traffic is the biggest problem. People cannot get traffic. So what we do, we share our traffic with you. Now, by sharing our traffic with you, it makes the business easy. You know, I guess so many people have bought different programs, but they are not able to make money because they cannot generate enough traffic. Now, we are going to give you our traffic and build your email list for you. Right? We are going to build your email list for you, follow up. All those things are going to be done for you for free. You don't have to pay us anything as long as you are a team builder under us, right? That's all. So we do this for our members. We just, we send the traffic, promote for you, you know, and like I said, the team builders does all the closing. So it makes it easy for us to help you with traffic. The team builder system close the sale, so we don't have to worry about that. And so this is amazing, all right? So now I hope you get the difference when it comes to TeamBuilder and MegaLink, right? That's the difference. Some people in the MegaLink, they say, Victor, can you promote my link? I can't because it's just $7. It's not worth the traffic, right? So we can only give traffic to those that join the TeamBuilders under our link, because at that point it becomes more profitable for everybody in the team, right? Because we need to keep getting more traffic and giving it to you for free. And for that to happen, it has to be at the team builders level, right? All right. So if you have questions about team builders, what you want to do, you can leave it in the comment section or privately DM me, okay? And if you want to get started as a team builder, it's just a one-time setup fee, all right? So listen, don't do monthly. It's a one-time setup fee. It's only those that join at the one-time setup fee that we accept. That we call them permanent team builders, right? So there are no monthly fees with team builders. You want to be a permanent team builder, you want to pay one-time setup fee. So what you want to do to get that, go to my link right now. It's just in the description above or in my profile. Get started. And once you have joined TeamBuilder, they're going to set up your account and give you your link. Now that link is what you want to come back and give to me, and then we are going to add you to our team traffic rotator, and we're going to start sending a lot of traffic. Look, that traffic is meant for high ticket, so we don't get a lot of people, right? We are not going to get a lot of people, so it makes it easy for everybody to get traffic and everybody to, you know, build their list and hopefully get those sales. So if this is something you are interested in, go ahead, click that link description, join the team builders, and then send your link to me, and then that is how it's going to go. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.